So do you want to be making money online in 2024? Yes, of course you do. Who doesn't want to be making money online in 2024 and 2025 and beyond? Who doesn't? Well, I've got the right name for you. The name is Live Good. It's a business subscription model. It's $10 a month, so really, really easy. No weight on your shoulders, really affordable. The products at the moment are health and wellness products, and they are, again, really affordable. Ideal for me. I want health and wellness. I want a long life. I don't want to be getting off this planet anytime soon. So I want affordable health and wellness. So to me, I am quite passionate about it. You may have noticed, I don't know. Sometimes I get overexcited. Sometimes I'm a bit calmer. But this business, the timing is perfect. They've been going for a year. They've got almost 1 million members, 950,000 members in a year. And so next year, of course, it's not only going to be 1 million, it's going to be 2, 3, 4, 5, 10 million. I don't know, but it's going to go crazy because the people who are in it are overexcited like me and can't wait to tell people. And so it's Live Good is going to go crazy. I don't know if you haven't heard of it, you may have been living under a stone or just not involved in business online, making money online. And if you want to make money, you need to be in it. There's a link down below. Watch that video by Ben Glinsky, the CEO and founder, and he will tell you why now is the perfect time for our business, for Live Good, because it's perfect business for these times that we live in at the moment. And so watch the video. It's less than 6 minutes long. Watch that video, put your name and email in there, and then go and pay. It is literally $40 for the affiliate fee one time, and then $10 a month. I don't think that's too much for anybody. I think anybody can afford that. I'm a pensioner, and if I can afford it, I think you can. So put your name and email address in, subscribe to my videos, leave me a comment, take action. If you want to be making money online in 2024, you have to take action. Don't look back next year and watch this video again and think, oh, I should have done that last year. Because you are missing the point. The point is timing. We are going into momentum. This company is going to be huge, and these people that are joining could be under you. So don't wait. Get your name, get your information in there now. Get joined up. Make it a Christmas present to yourself so that you can make money in 2024. Honestly, you'd be crazy not to. I don't know what else to tell you. Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas. Join this. Honestly, it's going mad. 2024, this will be the one that goes bonkers and you'll really wish you'd joined earlier. I certainly wish I'd joined earlier. So anyway, I'm going to see you in the next video. Sorry if I was overexcited, but I'm passionate about this, really, honestly. Join. You will miss out if you don't join. I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.